it so hard. It took, I thought for sure a story played it to yours.
And
Well,
Worcestershire.
you're the way
And then you take and you just pour it all on top of it. And
Is that, was this real?
They look real, don't they?
Yes.
Every now and then you find some of those.
I thought maybe you baked it like you did your little
No.
slices.
Okay, do it.
As I read this story, whenever you hear the word right, continuously pass the gifts to the right until you hear the word left. Then now you know how the story went. Which way did the gift go? To the right and to the left. Stop passing and open your gift. Okay.
That's great. Thank you, my narrator. Awesome. Wow. And bless you. Hobby.
Yes, that's great.
No way!
I was hoping you would get that one. That's awesome.
Is it pastel?
It's adjustable.
And that's awesome.
Salud, Lirita. I don't have it, but I'll use this one.
Like fresh as
Like, I don't know what this is. Like, what do you say? I want a toast.
I'd like to propose a toast.
Okay.
You can stand. She's thinking of it.
What do you say at the beginning? One. I want to toast to art class. Because art class has the best memories, the best art teacher, the best friends. And I just want to say I feel so blessed that you guys get to be with me and you get to be in art class together. You get to be in art class together. And also, I really like your picture. It's really awesome. And thank you so much, Miss Chris, for blessing us.
Oh, I love
Okay.
you guys. Toast. All right, dig in. Eat your food while it's hot.
That was a good toast. It wasn't as good as the red carpet party, but you know, it's okay. Does anyone have, oh, let's spill the tea, guys. Does anyone have any tea to spill? Any drama, any gossip? Let's talk about it.
No gossip.
Until you hear the word left, then switch directions and continuously pass the gift to the left. Are you ready? Here we go. Frost.
Slow down just a little.
Sorry.
Let's hear it then.
Now you know how the story went. Which way did the gift go? To the right and to the left. Stop the passing and open your gift.
Look at this. This is autumn. Isn't that pretty? And it's one of those cool pins.